Hey, it's Yalanda at DryerBuzz, and of course, DryerBuzz Eats. Now, I'm a blogger, not a baker, so when I'm looking for something sweet, I need a very simple recipe, and I think I got it: butter, batter, berries. So we started out with 2 containers of berries, about 16 ounces each, a cup of sugar. We went with 2 cups of water, just enough to cover the berries. Put that on the stove and let that simmer. Now, again, very simple recipe: butter, batter, berries, because I don't have all day in the kitchen. I got a blog. We sifted a cup of flour. To that, we then added in a cup of sugar. Notice the simplicity, right? 2 ingredients. The third ingredient was a cup of buttermilk. Now, I like buttermilk. I'm Southern. I saw my grandmothers use it all the time. It's really good in recipes now that we know, okay? So, also added in a teaspoon of vanilla. Again, some of my grandmothers use it. It adds in that extra sweetness and creates a very simple batter. Just whisk it all together. Set it to the side. One thing I have learned, you want to let your batter rest. Let your batter rest. And then came back, gave it a couple more stirrs. Now here, went back to the stove to check on those berries. Should have turned it down a little bit. I did. Then we put our butter, half a stick of butter, in the pan in the oven. Let that get nice and hot. Poured that batter in it, and then came the exciting part. Remember, butter, batter, and guess what's next? What's the third part? Your berries. So what we did, liberally, we just started scooping in the berries, keeping the juice. Okay, not all of the juice went in. I'm going to tell you what I did with the rest of that syrup that came off those berries. But make sure you put your berries kind of evenly, distribute them out, because it's a drop in. It's not a stir. Butter, batter, berries. So you see us, we're scooping those berries all over the place. You would not believe. I mean, listen. I'm no baker. I'm a blogger. You can do this. And look how short this video is. That's literally, well, it takes a little bit of time to prep. But then, I'm trying to do video, trying to get the shot, wasting stuff, cleaning up stuff. But still, wait till you see the end results on this. You're going to love it. Butter, batter, berries. Hey, look, we also tried this with peaches. It works. Think about the fruit. Again, you might want to add in a little bit more flour, sugar, or vanilla, depending on the brand that you're using and depending on the fruit that you're using. Some fruits may not call for as much sugar. So, start with a cup each and then just add a little bit more. Easier to add more than it is to take away. There it is. We use just a simple loaf pan. Listen. There's a real nice crunch to that, if it's still in this video with me talking over it. Look at that. That batter makes up the freshest, lightest piece of cake ever. We put that in our pan. You'll see it. Don't worry. Trying to do this and do the shot at the same time. And then, of course, you got that berry. Oh, my God. The syrup on this thing was insane, intense. All right. So, then, there it is. I'm going to show you what it looks like in your cup. Yeah, the cup runneth over. Butter, batter, berries makes petty Betty berries. Look at that. Okay, you see that lemonade? That's lemonade behind there. That syrup that was left over, we poured it into our fresh batch of lemonade to kind of pair off with, yeah, there it is, to pair off with this, let me tell you. And then we spiked some just because it was the weekend. So we exciting, guys. Enjoy. Again, I'm Yalanda at DryerBuzz. I'm a blogger, not a baker, but hey, I may ride that lane. Listen, for more recipes for everything that DryerBuzz eats, follow us on YouTube as well as on Instagram, Facebook. Listen, filter the entire internet with the hashtag DryerBuzz Eats.